There is a high probability that you may still not buy your first home in this year. Unfortunately, there's a lot of news going around about how you can buy your house, and I do want to educate you and inform you on 9 things that you should definitely be aware of if you're looking to buy your first home. What's up, guys? My name is Wale Lawal. I am a real estate agent and a new construction expert in the Houston, Texas, and I do help a lot of people to buy or sell real estate. I also help a lot of people to invest in real estate. So it's a new year and everybody is motivated. They want to buy their first home, they want to buy their next home, but I'm going to walk you through 9 important things you should know if this is your first time buying a house. I do want you to listen to the end, because at the end I give you a lot of good nugget and I give you a lot of tips that you can actually apply immediately. Without further ado, let's go. All right, number 1, you need to set a budget. You need to know how much can you even afford. You see, buying a house is a huge commitment and you need to be able to make sure that you can actually afford the monthly mortgage payment. If you cannot afford it and you don't have your budget in place, it may not be the best time for you to buy a house, unfortunately. That's number 1. The second one is that you need to determine the kind of mortgage down payment you can afford. So you can buy a house with 3% down payment, 5% down, 20% down payment. You can even buy a house with 0% down. I've helped people to do that, but you do have to know that if you're buying a house with 0% down, your loan amount is going to go up. And if you're not comfortable with that, or you cannot afford the monthly mortgage payment, like I said on my number 1, then you need to revisit your plan and re-strategize, or maybe you should wait. Maybe it's not the best time for you to buy a house. Number 3 is that you need to improve your credit score. You do need to improve your credit score. Buying a house or buying anything, they do require to pull your credit. And the rule of thumb is that the lower your credit score, the higher your interest rate. And the higher your credit score, the lower your interest rate is going to be. So pretty much you are appearing as a more risky borrower to the lender with a lower credit score. The assumption is that if you have a lower credit score, they think you don't know how to manage money and they don't want to take the risk of borrowing somebody that doesn't know how to manage their own money a huge amount of dollars to buy a house. So you will appear as more risky borrower to them if you have a low credit score. So definitely you do need to work on increasing your credit score. It's extremely important. And as a matter of fact, any credit score below 620 credit score, you will not be getting the best interest rate out there. All right, number 4, you need to get hold of a good real estate agent, and that real estate agent is going to connect you with their preferred lender. So when you're buying a house or you're selling a house, you always need a real estate agent. Of course, you can go about this on your own, but it is not a wise decision to do that, because you're not going to have anybody to advocate for you. You're not going to have anybody to guide you through the process. You don't have anybody to actually show you the rope, and you're going to just be going, without unprotected. So you need a real estate agent. Of course, I am one of them, and I'm in the Houston and, anywhere in Texas, pretty much. You can reach out to me and I'll guide you through the process. If I am not covering that particular market, I'm going to connect you with another rock star real estate agent that will be able to help you achieve your goal. So when you get hold of a real estate agent, the real estate agent is going to connect you with their preferred lender. That preferred lender is going to have you to apply for mortgage. They're going to take your bank statement, your W-2, your tax return, your driver's license, your pay stub, and all these things. Based on that, they will determine how much you can actually afford. So after they give you that pre-approval, then that tells us how much you can actually afford to buy a house, because it's not a wise way of going about it to start looking for a house without actually knowing what you can afford. For example, if you're looking at a house of $500,000, but you can only afford a $400,000 house, so you will have spent 2-3 weeks just driving around looking at $500,000 houses when you can only afford $400,000 house. So get hold of a good realtor. I can help you for sure, and if I cannot help you, I'm going to connect you with somebody that can help you. Number 5, like I mentioned on number 4, the lender is going to get you a pre-approval letter, which is my number 5. Number 5 simply means pre-approval letter. Number 6 means you do need to focus on a particular neighborhood. You don't want to be looking everywhere, because if you're looking everywhere, then you're going to be wasting a lot of time. So take some time to discuss it with your realtor on this is the neighborhood we want to live, and these are our price points. Of course, you already have a pre-approval letter that tells us how much you can afford, and based on that, we'll set you up for properties that are within your budget in the area, and so you can get results faster and actually buy your home this year. not next year. Number 7 is that you need to continue to work on your down payment. For sure, you do need down payment when you're buying a house. You can put as little as 3.5% down. You can do FHA, you can do conventional 5%, you can do 20% down payment if you want to avoid PMI. Of course, you can also buy a house with 0% down payment, but of course, this comes with a little bit of a higher interest rate, and also it comes with more stringent requirements, and not everybody will qualify for that. So take note of that if you're looking to buy a house with a 0% down payment. Number 8 is you need to look into new construction. Yes, new construction has a huge opportunity this time because the builders are trying to offload their inventory, and they are giving a lot of incentives, a lot of money for qualified buyers, a lot of incentive, appliances, refrigerator, washer, dryer, sprinkler system, home security systems, blinds, among other things that they are giving just to make sure that they offload their inventory. So if you're definitely looking into new construction, reach out to me. I have a lot of inventory and I can hook you up and get you going so we can buy you a house this year. The last one, which is number 9, is that you do need to listen to your realtor. So if you're working with me, I'm going to be giving you a lot of strategies, what I've done for people in the past, what has worked, what has not worked, and I will save you a lot of time. I do not want you to repeat the same thing that some of my clients, the mistakes they made a couple of months or years ago. I don't want you to repeat that. So I'm going to be guiding you through the process of making sure you buying a home is as smooth as possible. That's it. And the last one I will tell you is that follow your own instincts. Follow your mind. If you think this is not the best time to buy, then just wait. If you think this is the right time, then go for it. So you can reach out to me. I'm always willing to help. My contact information is in the description below, or you can call me at any time. My phone number is here, and you can definitely reach out, and I would love to help you. If you're new to my channel, again, my name is Wale Lawal. I am a real estate agent and a new construction expert. I'm also an investor here in the Houston, Texas area, and I cover Houston, Austin, Dallas, San Antonio area. So if you want to buy in any of these markets, reach out to me and I would love to help you. Lastly, before you go, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with anybody that you think is going to benefit, and I want to connect with you. Comment in the section below. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what parts of the video you like. Let me know what you think I'm missing on this video. But above all, once you get out of a good agent like myself, buying a house is a breeze and you will not regret it. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.